My name is Mark Bromic. I'm the founder and CEO of Pecora Bianca, which means the white sheep in Italian. We're a casual, all-day Italian restaurant focusing on house-made pasta, located in Manhattan, in New York. We currently have 3 locations: Nomad, 26 in Broadway, Midtown, 50th and 2nd, and Soho, corner of Prince and Lafayette. Our mission statement is to share the joy of Italian food and celebrate human connection, because that's really what it's about. Food brings people together, it's joyful, and Italian food in particular, of course, we feel is the most joyful cuisine. We were under construction on our Soho location when COVID first started, and it became clear to me over the summer that we needed to be prepared for the winter because this pandemic was not going to be resolved in a few months. A restaurant next door to our Soho location has Bromic heaters installed, and they always seem to work pretty well, and they look good. So when I was thinking about what heaters to install at Soho, I immediately thought, well, let me get the name of those heaters at that restaurant next door, because that could be a good fit for us. And so that's how it really started. I just saw them, and it was really first the design that appealed to me, but then once we installed them and I saw how well they work, it became clear that it was a good product for us. The Platinum Smart Heat in particular have been so effective and kind of powerful that we have people sitting outside in 40-degree days without their coat. And I'm just really pleased with the performance of the Platinum heaters. And as we're currently working on 3 new projects, believe it or not, in the middle of all this. And I plan on installing the Platinum Smart Heat in all of the new locations. So I'm like your best spokesperson because in many ways, the heaters saved my business.